Today I am going to continue sequential circuit design. So right now we have to start from this section. Design general design structure as a finite state machine can be used to express the behavior of sequential circuit. In the sequential circuit, we have two levels arrow are shown in this upcoming diagram, either level X oblique Y. X is the input system state change. It means that what is the input state, and Y is the output generated while moving the next state. It means that when X input state change, then what is the output corresponding to change. So we have to start two example. First is event parity checker, and second one is pattern recognition. Event parity checker is the simple example, and pattern recognition is the somehow difficult in comparison to event parity checker. So we have to start event parity checker, but we have to solve pattern recognition that you can process in as like you can solve by event parity checker if you solve pattern recognition. We have to start event parity checker. In event parity checker, finite state machine, only two facts we have needed, either odd or even. It means that event parity checker means either check even parity bit is there or not. So number of ones is odd or even. Need only two state. Zero input does not change the state, and one input change the state. There are two region, two states are there, 0 or 1. 0 does not change the state, 1 input change the state. The diagram of the event parity is S0 and S1. S0 is here 0 oblique 0. In X is 0, Y is 0. So arrow depends, it means that present state is S0 and next state is also in S0. So X is equal to 0 and Y equal to 0. If X 0, then corresponding output is also 0. Second, S0 change goes to S1. In present state in S0 goes to next state in S1 when X equal to 1 and Y equal to 1. Next, S1 present state and goes to next state also in S1. So X equal to 0 and Y equal to 1. X means 0 is the input state and 1 is the output corresponding output. Another one, S1 goes to S0. Present state in S1, next goes to S0. The X value is 1 and Y equal to 0. So this is the simple condition. We have just draw the table, and so that we have to suppose that this is the present state, this is the next state, and this is the output section. It means that present state and next state. Present state, it means that what is the value of if S0 or S0 is there. Next state either X equal to 0 or X equal to 1, and output corresponding is Y. X equal to 0 and then X equal to 1. When S0, present state is S0, then it goes to itself in X equal to 0, it's S0, and the corresponding output is 0. Next state with present state is S0, then it goes to S1 and output is 1. When present state is S1, Then x equal to 0, it means that S1 itself and output is 1. When corresponding S1 x equal to 1, it goes to S0 and corresponding output is 0. So you can draw a state assignment. The present state is also given. Next state, what is the corresponding output is also given. So you can draw. So we have to go to pattern recognition. When we have to solve pattern recognition, then it can be solved in easy way. So we have goes to directly into the pattern recognition method. This is the example. Output 1, whenever the input bit sequence has exactly two zeros in the last three input. It means that output 1, whenever the last two zeros in the last three input bits, then output is 1. FSM finite state machine requires the three special characters to during the initial phase S0, S1 and S2. After that we have need four state S3, S4, S5 and S6. So this is the state diagram of the pattern recognition. Here S0 is given. S0, when x is 1, then it is goes to S1. When x goes to 0, when x is to 0, it goes to S2 and corresponding output is 0 and here is corresponding 0. When next S1 when goes to S3, when x equal to 1 and x equal to 0 goes to S4, corresponding output is 0. Then S3 itself presentation x3 and next is also x3 when 1 x is equal to 1 and output is 0. S3 goes to S4 when condition xy is 0 0. When S4 goes to S5 and S5 goes to S4, all the value are here mentioned. X equal to 0, y equal to 1 and corresponding S2 goes to S5 at 1 0 and S2 goes to S6 at 0 0. S6 corresponds itself on S6 and goes to S5 and S4 comes to S6 or S5 goes to S3. This is the state diagram. In this state diagram, we have convert into general condition like this state. So we have to start with this. First of all, what is the design procedure? Derive FSM, a state assignment, assign flip-flop state to the FSM states, design table derivations, derive a design table corresponding to the assignment in the last step, logical expression derivation, and using K-map for previous example, and can we have to solve K-map and find out the equation and then implement them. General design procedure, it means that we have to draw a state table. In a state table, we have present state is S0. Again, present state is S0 when next state x equal to 0 is goes to S2 and x equals to 1, then it goes to S1 and corresponding output is this. When S1 goes to x equal to 0 at x4 and x equal to 1 is S3 and corresponding output is this. Similarly, S2 goes to S6 and S5, S3 goes to S4 and S3, S4 goes to S6 and S5, S5 goes to X4 and S3, S6 goes to S6 and S5, corresponding x equal to 0 at x equal to 1 and respective output is also mentioned. This is the state table. First, we have to, according to this state diagram, we have to draw a state table first. After that, we have the general procedure or general assignment. S0 and S1 is 0 0 0 0 1 0, S2 S3 S4 S5 6 as corresponding state assignment is there. After that, we have to design a table. Design a table, it means that present state ABC 0 0 0 and present state X, next state at ABC, present state Y, and corresponding if we use JK flip flop, then what is the value of JK, JBK, because 3 input, then we have to use 3 flip flop, JK, JK, JBKB, JCKC. Corresponding citation table we have to fill in this table. Suppose that we have present state 0 0 0. It means that S0. Suppose that S0 is there. So when present state X equal to 0, then it goes to, suppose that S4. Then ABC is S4. Suppose that next state goes to S4 and corresponding output is 0. If S0, when X equal to 1, it goes to 0 1 0. Then corresponding output is 0. We have to fill according to that. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1. Corresponding S0, S1, S2, S3, S4 value, S5, S6 value, and corresponding if present state is 0, either 0 or 1, what is then the corresponding next state, and what is the output value of 5. Corresponding S0 goes to S1, then what is the value of Y. When S1, S2 goes to S4, then what is the corresponding? We have to fill, and again we have to corresponding JK flip flop value. If we change present state A, suppose that 0 goes to 1, what is the value of JK flip flop in excitation table? When goes to 0, corresponding goes to 1, what is the value of JBKB value? When corresponding 0 is C value and corresponding next state is 0, then what is the value of JCKC? So we have to fill all the excitation table according to the JK flip flop regarding present state. What is the next state? We have to shift J A value to A. What is the change and what is the JK excitation table? In excitation, we have to fill all the present state to the next state into the JK flip flop. After that, we have to continue. We have to draw JA. We have K-map solution. So we have to solve JA corresponding to K-map solution. So we have to ABC is the input section and X also input section, X equal, because the X equal to 0 or X equal to 1, then corresponding output is there. So we have to ABC. So 4 by 4 matrix is there, 4 by 4 corresponding K-map. So we have to find out what is the value of JA. So we have to fill in according to excitation table. It means that we had the value of JA corresponding to ABC and X value. So we have to fill in this section and solve it. So one octet is completed. So what is the value of J equal to X dash? And according to this KA, so one octet is there, then X. So next JB, KB, JB is the corresponding equation is C dash plus A. KB is corresponding equation is A plus A dash, and JC is equal to B and KC equal to 0. This is the expression of JK flip flop. We have using JK flip flop, so we have to draw JAK, JBKB, JCKC corresponding equations. So we have to, here we have find out all the expression and the other expression from K-map for output section for YK value. So corresponding input section are ABC and X. Then according to Y input, we have to draw for this value, Y value. Here present is given. So input sections are this is given A, B, C, and X, and corresponding output is already mentioned. So we have to draw K-map solution here. We have to put there, and we have to only one pair and both single equation 1 1. So we have to equation is A dash B C X dash plus A B C X plus A B dash X dash. So we have to find out all the expression of section, and so we have to draw 3 flip flop 1, 2, and 3. So corresponding A, B, C is the input section, and what is the value of J? This is JK, this is JBKB, this is JCKC. So what is the value of J? So corresponding J value is X dash and X. So B value is the corresponding value is X and X dash. So we have to draw it with the clock pulse is CK, CK and CK. Okay. So in sorry, this is the input section in JAK, JVKB and JCKC. So we have to draw what is the input. X is the corresponding X section. So we have to inverting gate X dash and to this one and corresponding K equal to X. Again, JVKB is input section in A plus C dash. So corresponding C is here. Then again C dash and output is from coming from A. So then A plus C dash and K is A dash. So we have to add this A dash. And JC is B, so B is value and K is 0, then it's the ground section. And the Y output section is given. So output section we have draw with the X, A, B, C is the input section. Corresponding we have equations are there in Y equal to A dash B C X dash plus A B C X plus A B X dash. So we have to use in this section and we have to find out Y section. So earlier we have also even parity bit. We can draw this section present state, next state and corresponding output sections. And again we have to solve K-map solution. After K-map solution we have to draw flip-flop, two flip-flop here. So because two flip-flop mention the corresponding equation we have to get. We have according to equation we have draw circuit diagram. This is the thanks for this. Okay.